Hello and welcome to this very quick tip. I'm just about to put all these spare parts away for this thing here. Now this was the swordfish. Now I did a video at the end of last year about this, one of my favourite planes from 2022. However, in the kit, I got lots of other bits and pieces. There are some spare props. We have some spare prop nuts in here. There's some spare adapters and all kinds of things. There's the little cover that goes over the top, which was designed for an analog FPV unit. There's also the spare canopy as well, which is great for things like an action camera, and I'm not using this. It is nice also that they do provide you with an extra long black screw. Hopefully you can see that there in the packet. Now, at the end of the build, most of us end up with a little collection of stuff like this. The worst thing you can do is just stick it all in a pile, because when inevitably you break something like one of the props, you cannot find the stuff. So I thought I would just share how I deal with this. So what I do is I grab one of these Ziploc food bags and I write on it what it is. And what I'm doing here is putting all of these bags in a storage bin in the garage. So now what I have to do is, if I have a problem with this model, I just have to find this bag with all these pieces in, and then I can find all the spares that I want rather than dig around and try and find them all individually. This is the way that I keep all of this stuff together. And it does mean that in the inevitable situation where I have a crash and I break something, I can now find this bag along with the couple of dozen others that's in that storage bin, and I know exactly what it pertains to. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that, if you're trying to learn a topic, will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.